Hello, welcome back everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk around startup and a drive video for you on this 1985 Chevrolet Silverado K10 pickup truck. Now, this truck has been completely restored. The paint and body is fresh. Very, very nice, clean truck. It is a long box, 8-foot bed, blue and silver in color. See that beautiful new chrome bumper, all new wheel well trim, new Silverado molding, new stripe kit, new mirrors, new emblems, and of course, it would not be complete without a brand new set of BF Goodrich all-terrain TA raised white letter tires. This truck came in, it didn't have those tires on it, and I'm like, it has to have those. So we went ahead and put the new tires on it. It's got the original rally wheels with the caps and the beauty rings. Spray-on bed liner inside the bed. The paint on this truck is absolutely gorgeous. You can look down the sides of it. Very nice, very clean, very straight. 350 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. All new interior, seats been reupholstered, headliner, door panels. I believe the door panels are original. 73,000 mile pickup. Jams are very nice. Tilt wheel cruise control. Start it up here quick. New dual exhaust. Dash lights work. Horn works. It does have dual tanks. I don't know what button turns this radio on, but I know it works. I don't know what button turns it on, but let's see if it flashes. Might have a turn signal ball out. Dual exhaust, got new dual exhaust on it. It sounds great. It's got one tail light, one bulb out back here. You can see the bottoms of the doors. That's the same quality as the whole truck. I mean, that's how nice, clean, and solid it is. Engine's been all rebuilt. The guy who restored this truck, he passed away. So that was the only reason the truck was for sale. Like I said, the body and paint, beautiful. We noticed it does have a ding right here in the front bumper. And it's got a small ding right here in the front bumper. So if you wanted it to be 100% perfect, then put a new front bumper on it. But gorgeous truck, runs and drives great. Let's take it out for a little spin here quick. We can turn that off though, because it's not all that warm out today.
drives good. Gas gauge, speedometer, temp gauge, all works. Just a nice running and driving truck. The only thing I see about the driving, the steering wheel could be centered a little bit. Probably put it up on the rack and do that. Very nice running and driving truck. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 1985 Chevrolet K10 pickup, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon, everyone.